Hey guys, thank you for tuning in today. It's a good hot summer day here in Nashville, Tennessee, but I am specifically in Antioch, Tennessee, and thank you for tuning in to watch the viewing of this beautiful home located in Antioch. The address is 1200 Yellow Hop Lane. Currently, it has been just reduced to $540K. It is listed by the beautiful Carmen Davis of eXp Realty. And listen, guys, I can't wait to get you inside this lovely home. Oh my God, isn't that curb appeal amazing? This is Tracy Wiggins, eXp Realty. Guys, give me a thumbs up. I appreciate your support. And I also would love for you to hit subscribe so you don't miss these videos that I'm showing you. Whew, pray for me. It's hot. Let's go inside. I pray that you enjoyed that showing, guys. This home is beautiful. It's over 2,300 square feet, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. Again, priced at $540K. You don't want to miss your opportunity to live in this beautiful subdivision here. And this is one of the only models. I think there's only 2 models made in this, built in this particular subdivision. And this is only the one and only of them that is for sale. And so you're going to have a exclusive home. Tune in. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed that view. Like, subscribe, and hit the alert button so you'll know the next time I drop a video. Thanks for watching. I appreciate your support.